Let's take a look at question 6. So we are given 5 numbers. Now we erase one of the number. The remaining 4 numbers, the total is a multiple of 4. So we can check the remainder when each of the number is divided by 4. 15 divided by 4, that's remainder of 3. 16 divided by 4 is remainder 0. 17 divided by 4, remainder 1. 18 divided by 4 is remainder 2. Then 19 divided by 4 is remainder 3. So we just need to select 4 numbers. The sum is a multiple of 4. Then we can choose remainder 3, remainder 0, remainder 2, and remainder 3. Total is 8. 8 is divisible by 4. So the number that's removed is 17. We choose option C. Then let's move on to question 7. So how many students earn a score at least 50%? And this will be 50 students who earn a score of at least 50%. Then we find those that are less than 90%. So those are 90% or more than 90% is 13 students. Then the rest of them are less than 90. So we have 15 minus 13. Okay, you find the remaining students. These are those who are less than 90%. So the answer is D. Now, question 8. The surface area is 18. So divide by 6. We can find that for each of the square here, the area equals to 3 cm square. Then we will find the set length of the square. So one side of the square will be square root of 3. Because we know square root 3 times square root 3 equals to 3. Now we find the volume. Volume is square root 3 times square root 3 times square root 3 equals to 3 times of square root 3. So the answer is A. Now, question 9. Okay. First, we find the sum of these 12 numbers from 1 to 12 added together. This equals to 12 times 13 divided by 2. So the total is 78. Okay. So she takes the average of each pair of numbers. Then we find the average divided by 2. Right, for these 6 pairs, right, the average is 39. So they want to find average of the remaining 6 numbers, right? The remaining 6 numbers, so we need to find the average, then we divide by 6. So on average, each of the number is 6.5. The answer is B. Now let's take a look at question 10. Right, it's rotated around the midpoint. So it's given to us that AB is 5. Then this part is 5 divided by 2, this is 2.5, 2.5. We can find area of the overlap. This overlapping area is a square. So the square is 2.5 times 2.5 equals to 6.25. Now, for the rectangle ABCD, we can find the total area. The 5 times 3 equals to 15. So to find the total area, we add the two rectangles together. Each of the rectangle is 15. So we have 15 times 2 minus the overlap. The overlap is added twice. So minus 6.25. The answer is 23.75. We choose option D.